I know I don't belong to any society. I don't ever know how to drink blood. In fact, there's nobody in the land, Ghana and beyond, who can come here and say, Emmanuel Badu Kobi, I did this for you, or I gave you this, so I'm coming to remove it from the church. There's nothing anywhere. If there's anybody who said, I am in a society with them, and that we meet and we do, he should come. Badu Kobi went and stole cars. This was from the mouth of a certain honorable, so-called honorable. Badu Kobi went to abroad, stole car, and he was arrested. It never came in any news. It never came anywhere. They said Badu Kobi steals cars. It became intense when my first son died. And then there you hear he has used the child for rituals. He belongs to a secret society. I am occult. My son died because I joined the society and they said they needed blood. So I provided my son. And that one day in this church, some Indians entered here. And then the Indians were with me doing blood things. Some said we kill a goat or whatever. And then the next thing was that a whole lot. They added that even when my son died, I brought my son. I went and removed the body of my son. Brought my son's body to bury it behind the church. And a whole lot. You said Emmanuel Badu Kobi is into occult rituals. Some people left the church because they are scared to work with a ritualist. Maybe after this one, I'll be the next person you use. We have lost a lot. When I say a lot. And not yet out of the woods. But we will get out of the woods. So especially from 2024 coming down, things are not easy. I have lost so many deals on the table. Just because of what is on the social media about me. Especially, kill the son, drink blood. And I thank God you know I don't drink blood. I thank God you know I'm not occult.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I bring you greetings. I was going through social media and then I found this video from Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi. If you are in Ghana and you follow the body of Christ and the prophets, I believe you might have heard of Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi. This man of God, I like him very much. Initially, I had my doubts, I had my suspicions, and it is one of the reasons why I am making this video. In this message, I think he preached in church this past Sunday, 12 April 2026, and I think he was narrating his sad stories, like what has happened to him and what in some sense has crippled him and his ministry, and that is why I am making this video. It is a video where Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi as a way among for hunu and Yama was suffer and as a Yama what go through in his life in his ministry. Not yet idea. Now I want to believe say we are remember some suggestions and as advices be a minimum the man of God no let's say be a say obedience so na what here asopem. Did you know they say some years back in Serbia a call a father who one of the people I can talk of any Prophet Isaac Osubempa, Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi, na the spiritual father the Prophet Isaac Osubempa. Na a bedroom baby say omuntem etete. One of the reasons it here more omuntem etete and they say 2016 no na Yamma Penny, former president, Nana Akufo-Addo, he was standing for presidency. And President John Mahama so standing for presidency. Now, Prophet Osubempa, a professor, he said, Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo, and a bear winning the 2016 elections. No, and a Badu Kobi so professor, and they call the opposite side. John Mahama, said John Mahama, and a bear winning. I think say through that you know a friction da omobi enu tem ebe develop to some extent after 2016 no since 2017 mo hono after the elections you know Prophet Isaac Osubempa be expose bi na o chechire mu e de akire Ghana for say this is the reason sitia Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi say onye the spiritual son bi na okan ya kan kodu say ntia wonye ni say Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi wa ko join some occult to be some like Freemason group or sense to say I don't want to mischaracterize as some kind but they no person change na say Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi say did you to me na ode ye adwuma wako join bibi and I say wako from and I say wachia. These are in some obi ana oye me fan say the former spiritual father of Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi obeke kan san sebo nyina na nyina no ekowie say Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi the baby so efrimu the bado frimu no Prophet Isaac Ozuma Pakura kan say the way obusisi akora no he suspects say bia se furu no obekwa kotu efri ho no mo say like in some Prophet Isaac Ozuma Pakura ni na brave na in this Sunday service na Prophet Badu Kobi preaching no and all kind of rehosem na kosem enema wa fam yawo wa fam enema dia wa fam because of sanema Prophet Isaac Ozuma pa ebeka to so eni asofo bi mo like obudoso obuka to so say oye rituality emani lusu like abofo bebre like deals bebre anka obetimenya edi sika etimedia bread no olusu ni nyina na okanyan so ekoka young politician ye nyina ni mu no Honorable Kennedy Japan or also ebe can be or also estate say or persecute Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi ni say or also say wanya ni tie say Prophet Badu Kobi oko tokasa online sense like entwifamu ana oto enti ema ehusem ebe ye bebre enti amade de ofamu bi pa no say before 2016 general election or presidential elections no enkomse ba enu de bebre Prophet Isaac Ozuma Pakura said bebre defa your president that time no that he was standing again 2016 no or can say bebre edifa who said he can never be president like his presidency has come to an end. I remember say video be I think say interview be or grantee or I think say Paul Adomochiri host saying or can say his presidency has come to an end. I don't mean they like in some kind or can say bebre na say some no ebu bi o kan ye no ejeri gina na aye de nyame kan ye say onka ebu bi no aye de chama wutumi ene MPP fo bi ebeda da no e ka kire no say onka emfagu eye ye mampani John Mahama ho fi eno tinamani kan ye omaye nkoda ye kutie no odo anka se ne kan ye
omampani John Dramani Mahama oboro homoden pa in fact owakoma papa na eme ya sebre bi atwamu ya hunu ntem na ya wasi ya time e won ya mahunu bi ho na ma bi amfaso ni so ate ho mpentenkwa eko ho ntokwa hunu ntokwa amfaso ni so osofo me kai etimi hime saa eni papa sei na ya kasetia se we ni papa osofo amo na nka ntem ho osofo amo de tina wa nka ntem anche na uma ayi friend say chama wuntumi mo keka nsem twitwa ntro kire me chama wuntumi de o true for too much on kan okre ba ko si ensem okeka kire me pa fa o man pani Mahama ho ono kra counting na me mpa o man pani Mahama asem no chama wuntumi se ni nyina na oboa e na odi bi ye me o twa ntro to me ame so chama wuntumi enti ono na wabo kenoforiata wanted no na ontimi mo na kufa so wanted ana eno de enyi ana eno de enyi lawyer arentina no enyi yi sa assembi koto nani ma wonya ho evidence ani asem ni metimi de masama koto nani mu no hwehwe mam na sa na kufa do why am corrupt was come me da wa ma da adam so besima so da ma no si mentim ba bi na ono abe cancer ana eno de OSP no eno hwehwe man eno ntimi hwem ene e boshe ene nyame eno de nyame e be hwem mama me eno ya boshe eti boshe nka ho radia kofo wo mutiri mo den dodo e momom yankana na kufa do ni tiri mo den o enti ampa wo hwe nyame ani mpa wa mfimi ade afira konya no so akwa tiri mo den Kenya sister tena pa ana me fere no pa kana na kufuado ai akwa tiri mo den osofo in fact the tiri mo den osofo we de mom yanka no kra kwa papa ni tiri mo den mpa ya boma ni nyina brɛ so for say myself kai media for agro na media o mesra mo hwa na mo akɔ church nsɛm
we ti na make say agya mempa me penasem but did he pursue ebidie like it is not so good, it is not good, and the credit oka na hunye he's a man of God. Surely he's a man of God. He is one of the gifts that we have in the body of Christ in Ghana. It's the of God really, there's no problem, but the man no, the man before the of God no. I don't know yada nsem bebre wo ho sanse bi okan how can you be a man of God and a prophet ultimately nyamene no bitimi ebedada wo second sem say efa before the former president who at that time no and I second sem say efa John Mahama who ultimately can. You are supposed to be a prophet. But you say obi try to watch what can't you say it? Are you not supposed to say it? Are you not supposed to pray about that? So no enti no America sanse bo nyina enti asema medwene efa ho de say it is a if such a man would to be betimi abedada no abi try to say ene akire no afa president John Mahama ho a dey na enti so AC say ensem na otifa prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi ho no dey na enti be possible say eno so obi na obeka sansem no efa ne ho no ebia the person lied to him eno no so ebeka it is very possible meboa because chema would to be ebetimi adada no akan sama edim afa yen president John Mahama ho abana beka say eboja wonisa ho say he can never be president again. You see in the Bible no be the word man nyame ka kire obi say you can never be something nyame say na adwene da never. If you use the word never there, okay, if you use the word never senka osi ebia ebe din so obetuma be president ebi kranka but osi never. In some videos no crampo or say Bayanka or John Mahama, he should forget about his dream of becoming a president. Like in some kind India, bebre. There is nowhere in the Bible or you should never any man be beer, Jamisa Sana. After the getting to the end of Nana Kufado terminal, and I say along that line, and after the status or Kase, they will say, O Yamidi Pebia. Na basa mu odene anase onyame gosra wono so na odene sato no so dia ebia obetimi ayisa enome no ede afri ho ede amano. Okay, but before obekasa no nobody can that say he can never be president. He should forget about it. His presidency dream and like the possibility of him becoming president is over. Eti elo echi na osna bekase Nemo say onye nyame nipa bi e ma ne de nsato no so a afi de nema betima de betima sesa eti sare ma we nyina no ma bi hu se nsem o kan e no no abagia tum se eye chema wutumi mu ni MPP for no na ebe dada no dia e de na kire se nsem o kafa prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi hono e de na e kire se e no so ebetima ba se anase entimi ma se odi pakro obeka asasam no efa prophet Badu Kobi hu kire no odi pakro etwa de tro. It is very possible. Now so here one of the reasons it's here, I know what Judge Nabucha said, or former president, Nana Kufado, ABD, president of Ghana, they said, Nana Kufado, share the boss, Oba, Buano, Amanese, sorry, dying. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? You are a man of God, you are supposed to be a prophet. How can you say, you are going to prophesy and say all these things against John Mahama? One of the reasons, they said, I am not denying say Onyame kasa kire no. I am not denying that fact. Onyame ka kire no. Demom ede be bi okeka ebi ede kan ho no de. Ede be bi okeka ede kan ho no de. Eno de ono na ebo de dum to say eye chema wutumi mu na eka kire no. So ho. Digina de say na Akufo-Addo asho obo say oba bedi Ghana president obeboa wo ama wesi waso dan. No krampo nyame kra okacha de say obeboa na wasi national cathedral kra ma no krampo no wadada nyame po na Akufo-Addo adada no na wona ontimi enada eno teno say utie nsama na prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi eka utimi say eye awehosempa. You see say asem tu obi awo be twan say eye wo na asem fa ho direct ansa na ye oya say asem bi tu obi a wada say efa ho direct ana say emfa ho direct say no kre nkuwa dia e wo say asem tumi ye oya e wo say ye oya prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi onye bidua onye behwe mi hu do krada but sanse bi a okay say no kre pa say he didn't join anything. He didn't join any group. Biana, Yamidipa as a prophet. You are supposed to hear from God as a prophet. Rudianka, Oka some actually, and as Oka some of our bihu, especially Obia. na utimi friend no say my spiritual son okay ebi krompa wo ma osikada ebi krompa wato ade ade achewda wato ka ma oda anum ni ade na say de montem abaye yi kura utimi kasanse bo nyina de fa no ho me to be verify say the correct and the correct but so tie dia prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi e kana utimi nsem ni nyina no enye the correct na me so enye mo gwa say bitima gie di say se chema wutumi tibi bedada no dia enye mo gwa say obi obeka nsem fa prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi hono enye mo gwa say wodi ba kron so e betwa de tro was it because of say nanado e promise no say obesi na so dan ma no itina na by hook or crook or can say bia any good above for who fee any tarnish above for reputation na and I don't know now mama you kotie messenger prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi e preach e wana so dem last Sunday etimu de mama you kona you kotie sasam no and then I'll continue after that.
I'm talking with a message titled A Little of My Story. In other words, there's much, but I'll give you a little today. As a church, you must have certain crises as you move level by level. But especially starting from 2016-17 is when the crisis heightened. And there you hear this, you hear that. This man is not of God. This man is this. Especially, it became intense when my first son died. And then there you hear he has used the child for rituals. He belongs to a secret society. And as I speak to you, nobody can ever come to me and to say, I belong to their society. Nobody. I say to the whole world, nobody. That we have meetings, that Badu Kobi is present, that when we were contributing, he contributed. Nobody. But they said, I am into rituals. I am occult. My son died because I joined the society and they said they needed blood. So I provided my son and a whole lot. And that one day in this church, some Indians entered here. And then the Indians were with me doing blood things. Some said we kill a goat or whatever. And then the next thing was that a whole lot. Then came an MP whose whole agenda, I will destroy Badu Kobi. Badu Kobi will go to jail. And then he will say, Badu Kobi steals cars. It was getting intense. A whole lot. They added that even when my son died, I brought my son, I went and removed the body of my son, brought my son's body to bury it behind the church, and a whole lot. When somebody talks about you and it's not true, what do? You don't worry. Because I know what you are saying is not true. And so if you check me, I never made time to respond. In fact, if you ask me, have you been bothered till date? I will say no. Because I know I don't belong to any society. I don't ever know how to drink blood. In fact, there's nobody in the land, Ghana and beyond, who can come here and say, Emmanuel Badu Kobi, I did this for you. Or I gave you this. So I'm coming to remove it from the church. There's nothing anywhere. If there is anybody who said, I am in a society with them, and that we meet and we do, he should come. Badu Kobi went and stole cars. This was from the mouth of a certain honorable, so-called honorable. Badu Kobi went to abroad, stole car, and he was arrested. And a certain person intervened. And if I was arrested, it would be in the news. It never came in any news. It never came anywhere. They said Badu Kobi steals cars. I listened to them. I kept quiet. But what you are saying is not true. And that when Badu Kobi gives you a car, he has planted in juju. So when you sit in, you'll be involved in accident. But thanks be to God, nobody that I gave what we call car to had an accident. Not once. When Sapon had his accident, he was in his own Toyota Tundra. I am saying this because for the past days, people have been texting me. We want to know what's the situation. How are you? How are things? And God told me, use this Sunday, reply them and get them to know I am with you in the midst of the crisis. A time came, the previous government even wanted to raise our auditorium down. They started calling me, telling me, we will raise your auditorium down. And God told me it will never happen. Certain times, they themselves will confess to me, we have cameras around watching you, whatever. I was not bothered. I get to airport, I must be searched. I look at them, they go through. Certain times they will pick me. They will take, and I won't come back and tell anybody that I've been into BNI, I've been here, I've been there. I kept quiet. I remember one day I was on the road, Sprinters Road, and I was stopped. We are told to search your car because there is cocaine in the car. So I parked. Then I said, let me see your hands. If there's nothing in your hand, let me see your pockets. Let me see all your pockets before you search the car. I don't want you to plant anything in the car and say it's true. Because I don't know anything since I came on earth. I've never seen what we call anything, any substance of that sort, never. So I want to see, check you first before you check the car. And they said, no, I said, I will check you before you check the car. I came on earth before you came. I was called before you saw earth. So you small boys can't tell me you are checking my car. So as they were arguing with me, I said, you don't touch, otherwise this whole place will be noise. When they saw I am defiant than them, they allowed me. I checked their pockets, I checked everything. I said, okay, now go into it. They looked, they opened. They could not find anything. And one of the gentlemen said, you are lucky. I was going to say a word to him, I heard in my ear, don't say a word. Leave him. Later, they called me. But one of them said, I have your number. I said, what do you say? I have your number. So they called me. They called me and said, this person sent us. But God is with you. I said, no problem. And then one of them later told me that they were sent to plant it in the car. How they did not put it in their pocket because they put a bag somewhere. Whilst they're searching, they'll put the bag in the car, and that is it. And then later, they will call me, they will tell me things. I kept quiet as if nothing is happening. I remember the day customs came here. The day customs was coming here, it was not even customs. It was a certain politician who said, let's get customs, let's get this. And then a certain church member was part of them. Yes. And he was the one who led it. And then they came here. Before they landed here, I got a call. And the call was from these boys who were so popular when the past government was in power. They had a name, Invisible Forces. And then one person called me and said, they told me I should come with them. No, after they left, they called me and said, they told me to come with them. I told them, you don't touch a man of God, especially Emmanuel Badu Kobi. So I told them, I will not go so that I incur curses. And so he told me everything. He told me those who sent them. He told me those who were behind. He told me everything and said, but for me, I will never do anything against you because I don't want curses. And there comes 2024. When God told me, if you don't let the present government come to power, you are finished. So people say, oh, Badu Kobi is NDC. No, I'm a man of God. But I had to stand for the one whom God had appointed. That's all. If God appointed, it was that side, I would have said, God, thank you. But God said, Emmanuel Badu Kobi, remember the time I told you this. Now is the time to fight because it is the time for your change to come. I also had to do minus the spiritual, do sacrifices, financial, for the present government to come to power. And after that, things became so bad. And though we are yet to get out of the woods, we will surely get there. I thought I'd hear better amen. I'm saying this publicly. I know why. Because I obey God. Thanks be to God, some people, in a way, in this present government, have helped the little they can. I appreciate, but we are yet to get out of the woods, and we will get out. So, Emmanuel Badu Kobi, those who arose against you, what is your word? God himself has an issue with them, not me. Because you said Emmanuel Badu Kobi is into occult rituals. Some people left the church because they are scared to work with a ritualist. Maybe after this one, I'll be the next person you use. We have lost a lot. When I say a lot. And not yet out of the woods. But we will get out of the woods. So especially from 2024 coming down, things are not easy. And surely, I will get out of the woods. Most of the times, I lost a whole lot of deals because of things that were planted about me on the social media. I remember once, a certain person wanted to do a deal with me between Ghana and Nigeria. When I say this, I'm talking about crude oil. Nothing again. And also about gold. But somebody wanted to do business with me across Ghana, Nigeria, and South Africa concerning crude oil to a Russian company. And the person said he read about me that I'm into rituals. So when he gives me his money, that means his life will come to an end. How much was the deal? $4.6 million for the first one. In other words, because of things so-called enemies did, they made business deals to just be lost from my life. I remember once, I don't know if Phoebe can remember, a certain woman who wanted to bring deal to my table. That's why I'm alerting is Phoebe. A certain woman wanted to bring deal to my table, at least $1 million or. And she read about me on the social media. He said the deal is cancelled. Or the man I'm going to do business with is an occult. One day a certain white man flew from, he's based in Romania, but he flew to China. And from China he came to Ghana with a card for us to do gold. He came from China, Romania to China, China to Ghana with a card to do gold. The first deal is $5 million on the table. When he got to Ghana and entered the hotel to enter and rest, and then you see you have to write whom you came to visit. He wrote all those things at entry, and then when he got in here, he wrote at the hotel, this person is what, and then a person at the table, the desk, told him, this man of God, have you not heard he killed his son? And the man called me, I went to him and said, why did you kill your son? I said, I've never killed any son. He said, because of that, I'm afraid I'm going back. $5 million card to do business, gone. I leave all those who said those things against me to God. I will never have time to talk against them. God is the one who knew everything. When you come on earth and your whole agenda is to bring somebody down, that means you are digging your own grave. How can a man of God make time? Let me destroy another man of God. In fact, I say this publicly to all those who are watching me. It will never be my job to bring any man of God down. Never. Why? Where I'm going is not where you are going. And where I will end is not where you will end. So when did you become my topic? I have lost so many deals on the table just because of what is on the social media about me. Especially, kill the son, drink blood. And I thank God you know I don't drink blood. I thank God you know I'm not occult. After they buried the son, they went and exhumed the body in the night, brought the body to church. How can this be so? But we leave it all to God, the judge. So lift up your hands, pray for me. Tell God to send my financial helpers. Send everybody that must come my way. For my losses, there must be a turnaround. For everything, there must be a financial turnaround. Now pray for me, pray for me, pray for me.
This is what I want to say to you, Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi. We a mistake in those days now. One man responded, you made a big mistake. And my advice to you is that don't repeat that mistake, So be become who seminar or go over social media. Also responded. Your silence means consent. She say the damage now. Sans seminar no more can and go so now went to be Abi or one. Look at what it has cost you. A Jamia Dumpana or the Sutimijina, a friend said on also. In summer, your kafa who say, now no moja, who two over Furu and Udiado. Send videos, Betibi, I was trying to search for them. I saw it. That is why I am making this video. I saw those videos. You can't edify who. Near honorable Ken, and so Ebeka Yedina, and also so. These are all attacks about so. We a mistake say, why my social media? I mean, you want to know. They say the war we are fighting, it is a social media war. So if you don't fight, if people are fighting you on social media, you don't need to fight them. Just come and whitewash yourself. When they blackmail you, just come and whitewash you, and I say come and whitewash yourself. Okay? Because Obitran Trotto also na Wabiyano na Ujano Tra, it is going to go against you. I opened this channel, BluntGhana, said the may defend Jesus Christ. Any Unyamia so for any the Church of Jesus Christ. That is why I created this channel, BluntGhana. That is all that I do. The reason why I make videos about any man of God, including yourself, it's not because you have given me something. It is even not because I know you. I don't know you physically. bi shawa bi hu senye fanse na picture e na mehwe na me hu se eye me fanse prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi dia. I haven't met you in person before, and you know that you also don't know me. But I love you, and I'm doing this because I love Jesus Christ, and I want to defend Jesus Christ, and I want to defend Christianity, and I want to defend any genuine man of God in Ghana and all over the world. And you know, my channel is there. Obi can say me that Obi can say before when I get the credit. Now when you say I get the credit. When the opa Caleb has my number, and I say come to my page or social media, send me a text message, okay, and then I will call you, give me every detail, tell me the whole truth, and I'll make videos to defend you. It is one of the mistakes you did. You shouldn't have kept silent. You shouldn't have kept quiet. You shouldn't. You should have come to explain. Say allegations now obucha to sono and I said you should have done that. So that is one of my advices for you going forward. Another thing, so I'm saying, too for say, so some of the blames, I will give it to you because there were some of your prophecies at too far in China. If people hold man, you should have prayed more about it. You didn't. For instance, over my prophecy be about before I say European football. You were in your car. I saw that video. You were in your car and you gave that prophecy, and you were so emphatic. You were so sure. Say the bayer. That video went viral, and now prophecy at too far in China. It is sometimes, some of you prophets, including yourself, sometimes I blame you because some of my prophecy, that cannot be from God. And I say, Onyamina, or shall I say, be good anymore, Saintino, or Becase Cocasi, now the chrono, and yes, I said a bear, or be good anymore. Why do you think God will do that? It most also be very careful. Now, I say, be especially open say on social media no you must make sure say asem na wokano what bo ho paye so certain what here free nyame ho ansana wobeka waka what you say it and also a very important one of my advices to you. I will also say that going forward when you give a prophecy about maybe Ghana or about our elections, you don't need to every day hammer it. Every Sunday you come and hammer it. Just say it once and let God do the rest. Let the politicians do the rest. And I say if you will do anything, do it backstage. Okay, don't let it come in the public. Obana Besho come say Nyame say this year this party and Ebefa Akonyana. Now Okanya Obeka we are leave the rest to God and to the politicians. Now some of you will not do that. You will continue to say things and double down and double down and double down. The more that we na mo ye abamu ayehi. Say Nyame say na okay we are leave the rest to God. Eti ebamu fa mo ho eje politics mu bebre. One of your downfalls is because of politics. Okay, it's because of politics. When the go kwatwitwi eyibu dodo. Okay, when the go twitwi too much. Nka na o hye nkomo no wie ye no. E wo wie. Everything be you do it backstage, you do it back door. Because all the camera ABC also. And also you are careful. Another thing, so to say, some of your remarks about tribes, any others also are very bad. And also something that you have to pay attention to. Okay, when you are making remarks about tribes in Ghana, you don't need to mention names. Okay, you don't need to mention names. There is one message be a preachy our was on the years back, and I know can say Asante Forba like Obukwa Warrior say like and somehow can media be a Santini. I don't know so no so yes Santini and say I don't know, but say the Krumpa you don't need to mention names. Etika and what say Obeka say tribe will be our Ghana or Muba or Obukwa Warrior say you don't need to mention names. And I don't know because of say how now no si can no. Look at the way I'm foresee Ebeso Assembly. Some of these things you have to be careful. The way Ubesi Akasafahu, especially when you are making remarks about tribes. People take their tribe seriously in Ghana, so pay close attention to that. Another thing, so I will say, so they say, don't brag too much. Okay, beware of bragging. There was one video here, and also only delay and a years back. I was searching for that video. Delay ebisa say how many cars and wayidiache and then also much cars bebre and I think the delay ebisa say na oma obuwa was on them hodo you would draw say na watch your cars and I remember saying now can I say you are not the one who told them to be poor. I mean some of these things you are not supposed to say them. Okay, some of these like granted interviews and all these unnecessary interviews you don't need to do them. you will be better off if you keep quiet and keep some things secret. Okay, so you don't need to brag about some of these things. You don't need to do that. The more you do that, the more Oma Edipa, like some of them get annoyed and get angry with you. Now, minima sem everywhere no. The person become way about a prophet Isaac Osumempa. I know say so prophet Isaac Osumempa. Don't think say media be done and answer be penasem rough. If you check through my channel, my video be about the man of God. I can't help myself because I love him very much. Like I said, he's one of the gifts we have in the body of Christ. So I love him very much. But the person become we now so you're fun. Prophet Isaac Osumempa sorry hokra. You will know say I'm speaking out of good faith. He's a man of God. No two ways about that. But the deeper sem no yana like so bad. So bad. So the deeper sem it say be before say obadi deeper subu and somehow to be kana yana very very bad. So when somehow kafa current president John Mahama who and somehow can ya fa who or no beji tum say chema to be mu man kan ya. That is an insult to his office as a prophet. If you call yourself a prophet, now say, what Jami de pa, Najami Kasachra pa dia. It's a department when you old control each day. The Jamaican man can't say, Depano old control. The person who say, a German pound, he's a man of God, but he's also a human being. Some of you now, and I'm follow no. Probably you don't even believe say he's a human being. He's a human being. He can make mistakes. Okay, he's a human being. That is why he is a human being. Okay, if you don't understand this, I can't help you on that. He's a human being. He can make mistakes. Some of you think he can never make mistakes. He can make mistakes. That is why he has married more than 2 times. He's a human being. Now, does that mean say he's not a man of God? No, he's a man of God. But the Bible says that Elijah was a man like us. So he too, as anointed as Ejabempa is, he is also a man of God. He's a man and then of God. As for the of God, really is 100% perfect. His gifting, his anointing, his ministry, everything. I said be okay, be correct. But the man, no, okay, or body deep subu and some ayano kanu, and that's a maybe ayano yeno. It is so bad. Okay, be one my ear so bad. You know, become we Eddie Achere Modo Ejabempa. So move to me after this video way Eddie Amana. Move forward the Enfamano. So no who say Edibu Hodma say Edina Kachena, a man can. He is a man of God. We love him. We respect him. But he shouldn't come so low. Say, Yami can sama. No, Bina, Abekan some afo bihu ediachewa. Now, I like with your caliber as a general prophet, as a great man of God. No obiatu be can try so. No one getting thrown any. So we say, so mon paya be by president. Bisi was or Diamond. Then you know what Jenny. What shen come and come out. Say a woman dear. Edibujina was shedina. Okay. So that is also not good. What I want to say is Emmanuel Badu Kobi, I pray say Jami Besha day. If I had money, and I say if God blesses me, I will come and bless you in Ghana. But before that, and I say until that day comes, I want you to know, say, I like you very much, just as I like every man of God. So we can draw a far one office and throw and you cry. That's all evidence and you cry. That's all there's to me can. You call me and I say let Caleb contact me and I say send a message into my inbox or if I say Facebook, okay, Facebook, Instagram, and send me a message and give me all the information. I'll come and defend you. That is why I created this channel. I don't need anything from you. I don't need anything. I do it from my heart. It is like my service to the body of Christ. Okay. One of the reasons here I know say you are struggling financially right now, and they say you don't sell oils. You are not like those prophets now. Before I say omuton oil, brother Babua, 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana. You don't do that. Your finances will not be like this. And also scramble can be like power. That means say even with your financial difficulty, you are willing to go through it and do the work of God without selling oil, without selling so I don't think Onyamishra. When we say a baby ama na ochika sema aye basado erade be restore no erade be restore the nyina de ma but the Americano the war is on social media now, so if you refuse to fight on social media you will have yourself to blame. I am willing to help you to fight, and not just you, any man of God me say obi kan also for me who asemboni I come and defend the person. I just pass say sana me obi kan who asemboni I come and defend him, so I want to do the same for you. As for me there, I don't see you as my enemies. You are not my enemies. You are all men of God. But I think say what happened in those years, you know, what Ejembepa did to you, know, I think say it wasn't good. It wasn't good. If today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, and drop your comment. And we should be free. Thank you very much.